Hey everybody, it's Papa Mows Stuff. I'm going to take you through the yard here just real quick. I'm going to point out a few things for you. These down here, that's nutsedge. I've got a bunch of nutsedge through the yard. So I'm going to take you on a journey with me, and I'm going to treat the nutsedge. I've got about a gallon of weed control. It's Weed Be Gone weed control, weed killer with nut, and it will kill the nutsedge too. So sit back, relax, and we'll check on it tomorrow to see how it's going. Okay. This nutsedge is kind of an annoyance weed. You don't want to pull it because the seeds of it will scatter every place and just make things a lot worse. So if you see it active in your yard, it's best to tackle it with a spray made for nutsedge, which this is, and probably by tomorrow night, just the nutsedge is going to start to turn brown. Now, this is not a grass killer. This is a weed control that you can put on your grass, and as part of that, it does have a nutsedge additive in there. I've got a bunch of this already done. It doesn't take that long once you start going through things. Yeah. I'm just going to walk a little out in the yard some more, see if I can see any more of it. Plus, I'm trying to get rid of this container so I can use it for something else. A couple of spots here I've already sprayed. Definitely dead. I'm going to take another little walk out into the yard here so I can find some more. I think I see some over there. Grass is going to probably need to be cut tomorrow or Sunday. I mean, tomorrow or Monday. Looks like some crabgrass here. This is also a crabgrass killer. I don't have like it super widespread. I've got little patches of it that I'm treating. planted this birch tree maybe 5 years ago. It was only about 5 feet tall. Look at it now. Crazy, huh? Come across a patch of it, I just spray it. I have a fertilizer service that comes out, but they're not really on top of the weed control as much as I would like them to be. But I'll show you a couple of days from now. The spots I'm spraying, just the nutsedge only, will be brown. Now it's a bright, vivid green. I don't really see that much more patches of it. There's maybe a couple over here. You can look over there in the grass. You can kind of see how the bright green ones are sticking up. That's what we've sprayed so far. All right. Now, I'll guarantee you I'm missing some. That's just the nature of it, but it is what it is. Looks like it's about what I see. Okay. Looks like we got it. Let's go check beside the driveway over here. Or my neighbor's driveway, see what we got. Up here's a little bit. You'll never get it all, but you get most of it. Well, I shouldn't say that. Eventually you will get it all if you keep doing it. A bunch of some here. We'll keep moving on. It's just a very light spray is all you need, just to wet the leaves. That's all you need. See what happens with this now. It's clover and chickweed. I don't know what this tall stuff is here, but we're going to spray it. These things here, they have a very shallow root system. It's so easy to pull them up. They just come right up out of the ground and there's really no roots on them. I don't know. Really don't know what they are. Don't know what they are. Got some clover under here. This won't hurt the shrub. This is just weeds. I don't know how they concoct this stuff, but it's all science. Let's finish our quest for Nutsedge. I think there might be some crabgrass here. This will take care of the crabgrass too. We'll brown that up in about 5 days. Some little patch here. I hate crabgrass. I don't have much of it. I try to stay on top of it. I think that's it. That's it. I'm just about out of material here. I'm going to spray over here where I know there's a weed I want to get rid of. Be right in here. Okay, folks. That's all she wrote. Just about empty. Just about empty here. And some clover. Red rover, kill the clover. Eh. That's it. It's spattering. Sputtering air now. Sputter in the air. I'll put this away for a while. I'll make a batch of make a batch of wet and forget next, and we'll take you on some other. I got some other stuff to do, so stand by.